2 cups. And a teaspoon of salt. But you use 2 knives, but I have these things now, so it makes it easier.
So you're saying a long time ago people would take 2 knives and...
Yeah, and cut the shortening up in flour to make a crust. And now I make us these little whatchamajigs. That's what you would call them. It makes it easier.
So you're not done until all of that's all the way broken
Right.
down into small pieces.
So that's like a it's like a coarse cornmeal.
Oh, like cornmeal, like this one is okay, coarse. Okay. So you start off with the bigger one.
Yeah. And I change it to a small one.
Then you use
Make it up to a small one to make the little pieces of shortening.
to make it fine. Is that finer? Is that what
finer? Yes.
It makes it more fine if you use a smaller one after the big one. Okay. Grandma's going to show us a technique for peeling the peaches.
Peeling the peaches?
All done.
You have to slice them like you do apples.
Slice them like apples.
About 3/4 cup sugar. That's really good.
That's 3/4 cups there.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay.
Oops. It's over a little bit.
Mm.
A little bit too far over.
Mm. Yeah.
So normally, if you're watching this, you can put a piece of wax paper under
Cutting board.
on the cutting board. You can put a piece of wax paper on the cutting board, right, Grandma? And that'll make it easier to get the
To flip it onto.
uncooked pie crust into the pan.
I'll help you with one thing. There's some little crumbs over here. So I'll get them off. I can do some things. Not too fast though. Yep.
Yeah.
Probably good.
You guys say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.